Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It is 8:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, September 1st, 2021. Okay, this is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. Click subscribe, click the bell, click the thumbs up. Intraday updates in the description below the video. Let's move forward. Click the thumbs up because storage is just such an anemic. It does not have any kind of following. It's kind of sad. There's not many videos out there, and it's such a great technology. Decentralized storage is huge, but who am I to tell everyone what to do? Now look at this beautiful dotted line here, which we just started drawing the other day. I just re-angled this because now it's very clear to me that this is an upward facing wedge. It's hard to say where it's going to go, because we kind of went into this upward wedge on the upside. So sometimes it's a continuation wedge. What we have to watch out for is as we get closer and closer to the point where this line here, or the support line, intersects with the resistance line. And the time of intersection is September 9th. So normally it doesn't wait that long. Normally traders will figure it out sooner or later which way they want to put the trade on, at which case the decision will have been made sooner. So it could happen tomorrow. It could happen like 3 days from now. It could happen 5 days from now. It could happen tonight. But, we have to keep our eye on this. It's very clearly something's going to happen. There's like that I can tell you. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. And the question is, which way does it go? So, we have to go take a look at our clues. So let's go take a look at clues. And for those who remember Blue's Clues, this isn't quite the same. A little more complicated. So inner strength is the storage inner strength, which is storage's relative strength to Bitcoin, or storage BTC. We then multiply it by the benchmark. These two factors, the inner strength and the benchmark, are the two inputs into the piece on the left, which is storage US dollar. So just understand that. The math is on the bottom. If there's a mathematician watching, look at the bottom. It absolutely makes sense. And if you don't agree with it, well then, hit me up on my email. Anyway, let's move forward into the market. So let's look at the inner strength. So input number one, inner strength. Are we bullish? Are we not? I'm bullish. Why? Well, we broke this long-term, triangle here. We broke it to the upside. We've been up now over this for quite a bit of time, right? We had a little wick here, but that doesn't really count. So I have a feeling that we're going to be trending back up on this path. And in the meantime, the other pair, which I look very fondly on, is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, true blue Bitcoin. So we are definitely still on our track up. We were down as low as 47,000 and change this morning, or actually midday, actually, I think. We were down to here, actually this was last night, but then this morning we were kind of hitting the low end of 47,000, and then something happened. So much for September is hell month for Bitcoin, because I honestly don't think that's going to happen this year. September is usually a bad month for Bitcoin, but this was before Bitcoin became a household name. There's no question about it. Everybody talks about Bitcoin. My grandmothers from the graves are talking about Bitcoin. I'm just saying, a lot of people, everyone is talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. So look, the nice thing about this is that we are in an upward trend. I'm still bullish on this pair. A little worried earlier this morning that we might start breaking out, but not too worried. I mean, we have some good support levels down here at 44, again at 42. So I'm not worried about the fact that this thing might break this channel, because I'm still bullish on it for the remainder of the year. And again, like I always say, I'm looking for 80,000 between now and the end of the year. So more to come on that. Bitcoin dominance. Now, Bitcoin dominance, on the other hand, has been doing absolutely lousy, which is actually really good for altcoin, not for Bitcoin, but not bad for Bitcoin either. I mean, it just means that there's definitely a lot more money pumping into this market, and you can tell just by looking at the Bitcoin dominance and looking at where Bitcoin's been going. If Bitcoin's going up and Bitcoin's dominance is going down, that means more money as a whole is going into the crypto market, absolutely positively the way, right? Because it's Bitcoin's dominance is 42, let's just say. That's 42% of all cryptocurrencies market value, of the whole cryptocurrency market value out there belongs to Bitcoin. And then the other 58% belong to the altcoin world. And by the way, altcoins will do better than Bitcoin on a Bitcoin rally. And altcoins will also do better than Bitcoin if Bitcoin starts to fall. Altcoins will fall less. So understand the dynamics of this. This is why Bitcoin going down is actually good for the altcoin market, but it doesn't necessarily mean bad things for Bitcoin. Anyway, that's all I have for tonight. But I'm still kind of bullish here. Look, if I'm bullish on Bitcoin and I'm bullish on storage relative to Bitcoin, and we'll go here. If I'm bullish here and I'm bullish here, up here multiplied by up there means up on the storage US dollar pair. Anyway, everyone take it easy. Have a great night. Take it easy.